our 5 new puppies. Mama Tessa went out to the bathroom, and they have just found out that she's not in the tub with them. They range from 10 hours to 1 hour old. Oh, this one's trying to find her. So is that one. Don't they look like little black rats? Come here. Can I see one of you? There's a little puppy. Aww. And there's Mama Tessa. This is a video. You don't get the full effect if you can't hear them screaming. And now they're going to be sat on. Bye-bye, puppies.